Hey, look at Tao. First, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin here. All right, we got a potential bottom here. All right, we got bullish divergence on the daily, well, the 12-hour, the daily RSI. Look at these, heading straight up, bullish divergence. We got the weekly. Take a look at it. Yeah, the weekly heading to the upside. It looks good. And you got your monthly starting to crank back up around. All right, could potentially have a bottom here, right? I mean, it's really, really looking like a possibility. Let me get this off here a second. I'm going to show you guys something here. All right, this is the bar graph from right down here. Okay, fits right in there. I just copied it and pulled it right up here. Put it right on with the price. Right about there. Is that crazy? It matches up pretty well. And get it right about there. Okay, you get your price running up just like here, your big dump, and then your recovery. Okay, this would, 114. If that would play out just like this top did over here, right? But yeah, we'll see. Kind of looking a lot like it. The chart down here filled the fair value gap perfectly. All right, are we going to fill that? I don't know. About $3,000 left in there, down to 73.6. Might not fill it. All these RSIs on Bitcoin are heading to the upside. If you come over here to the bubbles, look at these. I apologize. That's got connection. Unbelievable amount of stuff going on in here. Caspa's volume is way up. Tau, 206 million, ranked number 40, 2.26 billion, and the chart was looking a little grim. I got to be honest with you here. Coming down here, but we came down to these areas here. This is on a weekly, and this area seems to be very, very good support. I mean, look at this. Came down here, that time bounced, came down here, that time bounced, this time bounced. Not very big bounces in here, but this one was big, this one was big, and you're going to have a recovery, it looks like, on this one. We were looking at a potential, wave down here, up this wick, and a wave down, that went down to like $80. Right, there's a gap down there on the monthly. There it is, right there. I don't think it's going to fill it. We got potentially a bottom here, right? I mean, it's looking. Bitcoin is looking good. The total market cap of crypto is headed back to the upside, and look at this. I mean, you're right on. If you're looking to buy crypto, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. That's not my thing. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. You do what you want with your money. Please do your own research. But anytime I see a crypto around a 702 or 786, that's a pretty good sign. A good crypto. Some of them fall right down through and go to nothing. But a solid one like Tau, look what happened last time it got down here. Boom. Over here, boom. This is on a monthly. And now we're down here again. Okay. The market is looking good. Time to make some money. I did a 2.5x on Bitcoin this morning, a 2.5x last night over in Discord. We're in on a Caspa trade. A few people in on Farcoin, making money over there, guys, for $15. Come join us. We're almost 200 people in there. We're going to have an altcoin season, and there's going to be big gains out there. All right, when you got stuff popping like this, and there's a link for weeks in the description of the video. If you sign up for the Discord, that's a level 3. Sign up for weeks. That's free. All right, you get a bunch of sign-on bonuses. If you want to do KYC, you can. All kinds of bonuses. But I use the charts on there for price targets and everything. And it's great. It's set up just like any other site, Mexi or Bittensor, any of them. But weeks. There's a link in the description of the video. I don't know if it'll load up right now or not. There's a lot for that main page. Not in my it did load up here. But got all kinds of, here's trending, get new listings. Look at these. You obviously change but I seen some of these earlier, up to 400x leverage on some stuff, 200x leverage. I love that if you can get really good entries, man. 400x on Bitcoin and ETH. Yeah, sometimes I nail some big money on higher leverage, but you got to get good entries. All right, if you're not familiar with leverage, don't mess around. Go learn and stuff like that, or do like 2x or 3x. Small stuff. Right. Weeks has 6 billion tokens. That's it. And you guys that know anything about crypto know that 6 billion is not a lot, right? It's good. I've been loading up on this. This is not my wallet page here. I ain't gonna put that out there, but yeah, weeks. You never know, right? The KuCoin went to what, $40? This thing's at 2 cents with 6 billion tokens. Who knows where it could go? But anyway, Tao looking good. The market's looking fantastic, guys. All right, let's make some money. Have a great day, everybody.